Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I know I look like another video that I just filmed, but I decided to, try to do multiple videos in a day. So today I have an exciting video. It is a Coach unboxing and let's find out what it is. It is from the Coach outlet. I ordered it online after first going to the outlet in person to check out the bag myself and see if it fits all my things and if I like it. So I did end up liking it and then I decided to order it online. So it came shipped to me really, really well. It's still in the wrapping. So I wanted to open it up with you guys. Okay, here it is. You could probably tell now what it is. Let's just open it up. Okay, so okay, so I've gotten all the outside wrapping off. So if you don't know, this is the Coach outlet Lara Satchel bag. It's not the Laurel with an L at the end. It's Lara, the Lara Satchel bag in the color maple. If you don't know, maple is my favorite color from the Coach outlet. It is a beautiful chocolate deep brown color and it's just amazing. I have two other bags from the outlet in the maple color. And so when I saw them coming out with this shape bag in the maple color with gold hardware, because I do prefer gold hardware, I was like, I think I gotta get it. And I know what you're thinking. This looks familiar. Yes, it looks like the Louis Vuitton Alma bag, but it's a little bit smaller and it's in smooth leather. It has similar features to it with the two top handles, and it does have the double zipper. So as I mentioned, I did go into the outlet to look at this and put all my things in it, and it does pack a punch. Oh, this is the mini size. There is a regular size that is larger than this. But the mini size for me works well. And so the inside is the same maple color cloth or fabric, and then it has two card slots inside. And then on this side it has the Creed patch from Coach. But yeah, it has a wide opening, which I love. The zippers go all the way down to the sides. And yeah, I haven't seen a lot of people make a video on this bag, especially in this color. So I definitely wanted to share it with you guys in case you're looking for something that's similar to the Alma style, but you don't want to pay Alma money. Yeah, because this is very inexpensive compared to Louis Vuitton prices, I will say that. But it does not have feet. And so I was definitely thinking about buying a pair of handbag heels to put on the bottom, and boom, you have feet on your bag. Perfect. And they're removable, so it does come with a crossbody strap. It is adjustable, thankfully. And yes, I just love the maple color, and especially in the gold hardware. Like, that is my favorite combination. I do not like when they do this maple with the silver hardware. I do not like it. And it does come with the similar little spots where you put the strap, similar to the Alma bag. It's literally just like a mini Alma, but in smooth leather. So here it is. Very cute. And so you may be wondering, why did you get this bag if you have the Alma in canvas? Great question. So I feel like this dark brown maple, for some reason, I think it's similar to the Damier Ebene print of Louis Vuitton. And so I feel like this would definitely be, to me, more similar or an alternative to getting the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene print, which I do not have. I have it in the monogram print. And seeing that I just got 2 Louis Vuitton bags in 2 months this year, I'm not getting the Damier Ebene Alma BB anytime soon. Unfortunately. So to me, this is like my alternative for that bag specifically. And I also do like the look of this shaped bag, but in leather. I know Louis Vuitton does have the Alma in leather styles, but they're just more expensive than the canvas. I do think the leather gives it more of a classy feel, classy, dressy feel compared to the canvas. Also, just having it just all brown, kind of like, I don't know, it makes it more of a cleaner look to me compared to like the monogram or the Damier Ebene. So, and it's like a smaller size, it's not so bulky compared to the Alma. So yeah, that's my justification of getting this bag. And plus, yeah, they just got me with the maple with the gold hardware again. If they had it in silver, I would not have gotten it. But the gold, I was like, yeah, gotta get it. I do have the Coach Mini Rowan in the maple color with silver hardware, but it's in the pebbled leather. So I'm gonna show that to you guys. So here it is. Here's my maple Mini Rowan. And as you can see, it has the silver hardware, which I don't prefer, but honestly, this bag itself, the style is just really great. And so I decided to overlook the silver hardware, but the Mini Rowan, I love the Mini Rowan from Coach Outlet. It packs more than you would think, honestly. It's a really good bag. In the pebbled leather, I especially love it in the pebbled leather. It gives it more of an expensive quality feel. So here's the Mini Rowan compared to the Mini Lara, or the Lara Mini Satchel bag. They both come with an adjustable crossbody strap, as you can see. And yeah, they're pretty comparable in size, just different shapes. This is crazy. This actually is like giving dupes or alternatives to the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, or maybe this would be like a Nano. Somewhere between Nano and Alma. But anyways, Louis Vuitton Alma and Louis Vuitton Speedy. Coach, we see what you're doing. But anyways, these are just great shapes for bags, and I just love this maple color. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna show you guys my actual Louis Vuitton Alma BB in monogram. It's my new bag that I just got. But yeah, so here it is. This is the Alma BB. So here is the Lara Mini Satchel bag compared to it. It is definitely smaller and shorter in height. So yeah, they definitely are different. If you compare the colors, they're both brown, but they're kind of different shades of brown. I feel like this is more warm, maybe, and this just seems more dull. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, this is my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the Damier Ebene print. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so here they are side by side if you wanted to see that. And yeah, this comes with feet, this does not. So let me show you guys what would fit in here, because I think that might be very good to know. Here is a phone case that fits my phone. I have the iPhone 16 Pro, not the Max. And that fits in here very, very comfortably, even laying down. And then this is a little pouch from Dress Up Your Purse. It's in a beautiful yellow color. It's in pebbled leather. It's similar to the Louis Vuitton key pouch in the S size. That fits. Here's my Coach wallet in powder pink. Some lip gloss, lip balm, and let's do some AirPods. And yeah, I would say that pretty much fills it up. But again, there are card cases here, so you don't have to carry a full wallet if you don't want to, or you could carry a slimmer card case too. That would give you more room in here. You actually could fit something else right here. Oh, see, hand sanitizer. Bam, that fits right in there. It really does fit a lot. That's crazy. Wait, let's add some mints too. All of that fit in here. Okay, let's zip it up. That's the true test. Ooh, maybe all of it does not fit in here. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, all of it fits in here, but look how it looks. It makes the zipper very, very wonky. So I would not add all of that to this bag. Let's take some of that out. We'll take out the mints and see. Let's see if I could just only take the mints out. And I'll just put the, instead of standing it up, I'll just put it on top, my lip gloss. Yeah, that doesn't work either. So let's take out the AirPods. We need the hand sanitizer. That's non-negotiable. Okay. I took out the mints and the AirPods and left everything else. Okay, that's better. There we go. So it's pretty full. And yeah, the zipper looks much better. But yeah, that's still carrying a lot. So yeah. And my hand can fit through here, through the handle, so that's good too. So yeah, that'll end my review and unboxing of the Coach Outlet Lara mini satchel bag in the maple color. I think it's a great dupe to the Louis Vuitton Alma bag. Again, this is a mini size. They do have a bigger size as well. So yeah, check out the website and see if you might like it. But what do you guys think of this bag? Leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and push the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads from me on my channel. Hope you guys are having a great year and a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.